Hi guys, I received a message from Cottage1. It says, "Hello, smiley face. Maybe you can help me. I have a new portable HD, 500 GB that can trug the USB. When I plug it, I want it icon to be shown on the desktop, not on my computer. Is there something I can do? Might be some auto run or a small application. Sorry for the spellings, I am from Israel. Thank you for the help, Cottage." Thanks for your question, Cottage. Now there is a way to do this, and it's going to be using AviDesk. Now AviDesk is a great program. I'm basically going to show you how to set it up and have a nice big icon at the top that every time I plug in my USB pen drive, it will come up as if it was in Mac or Linux, where they come up, it just shows you the drive and then you can click it, because that doesn't work normally. It will just show up in my computer. Now firstly, you'd think that you could do a shortcut, just a shortcut to the drive, but obviously when you take your pen out, it's still there and it will have a question mark or something like that. So I'm going to install AviDesk. Just going to click next. You'll flip out. It now does flipping and random effects. The new control panel, live previews, new desklets, and it's just got a load of desklets that I don't want. Go away. I'm just going to keep these two. It says my computer up here and recycle bin up here, so I'm just going to keep these two up the top, because what we're going to do is make an extra one to the drive. So brand new tutorial, don't be afraid to explore, finishing touch. So I'm just going to quit this. See, it's got a nice little animation there, and I'm going to try and get rid of this as well so I can show you how we do this. Okay, so AviDesk is running in the corner. Now I'm just going to minimize this for the second if you don't mind. I'm going to go to the desklets control panel, and you can see that this My Computer and Recycle Bin are made using PIDL shortcut. What I'm going to do is make a new PIDL shortcut. Go desklets and then add. Just going to go to PIDL shortcut or whichever, and you can make another My Computer Recycle Bin if you want, but I'm just going to go to PIDL shortcut and just say add item. Now this is going to add a new one, and you'll see it says AviDesk tutorial. I can drag this where I want. I'm going to put this at the top for the time being. So we're going to give it a name, an icon, and a location to look at, which is going to be my pen. Now I'm just going to right click this and go to properties if I can. It's asking what the caption is going to be. So I'm going to say pen drive. Now you can alter the position and the size on the desktop and the width of the icon or whichever. Then you're going to click, lock its position, change its transparency, rotate it if you want to. And I'm going to add an effect. I'm going to have a glow effect. You can configure that if you want to, but I'm not really bothered. It's very configurable. So that's that. Now the label, you can have a regular label or no label. So I'm just going to have a regular label. I'm not quite sure. So caption font, sub-label font, you can change everything if you want to, but I'm not really going to bother about this. So it says good quality / speed. I assume this is for the rotation, the appearance or everything, but again I'm not going to bother with it. Label format, I'm just going to put what am I going to put? I'm not going to put anything, doesn't matter. Now I'm going to use a system icon for what I'm going to do, because it's just going to link to a pen drive, so I'm not really bothered about the icon. I'm just going to link it to my pen drive, and I'm just going to get a shortcut. Now this shortcut is pointing to a tutorial index HTML file. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my pen, my USB pen. Bear with me a second. The right way. And now it should auto play. And it's saying removable disk N. What do you want to do? So the disk is N that I want to use. So I'm just going to type in N. And I'm not going to browse because it won't let you do it, so I'm just going to click OK, and you'll see pen drive, and it's there. Now you can obviously change this and have a sub caption if you want, and it can have loads of information on it, like Recycle Bin has. You should be able to do that for this, but I'm not going to go into that. You might want to have a little bit of a fiddle when you make one of these. But so now I have pen drive on my desktop, and when I remove my pen drive, it goes. Put my pen drive back in, and it comes back. So that is pretty much it. That's all you need to do. Now AviDesk is a great program. It's got a bunch of extra features, as you'll notice when I clicked PIDL shortcut. There's a bunch of other things, FTP, speaking, meter that shows your processor, things like that. But the most important I'm showing is the pen drive, because then when you take your pen out, put it back in again, it will come back if you want to. And you'll notice my little effect. It's a little glow effect. See that? It's quite cool. So that's just adding an icon to your desktop that removes itself when you remove the drive, much like Linux, much like Mac. So, excuse me, sorry. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.